Okay, today we're going to look at properties of exponents and applying them to rational exponents. We know that first, when we have product of powers, for example, a to the m power times a to the nth power equals a m plus n. For example, when we have 3 1/4 times 3 1/2, we get 3 3/4. Now we're going to look at quotient of powers. When we have a to the m to the power of m over a to the power of n, we know that equals a to a power of m minus n. So, for example, if we have x to the power of 8 ninths over x to the power of 7 ninths, that would equal x to the power of 1/9. Next, we're going to look at power of a power. If we were to have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, that would give you a m n. And for example, if we have y to the 4th power, all raised to a power of 3/8, that would give you y 4 over 1 times 3 over 8, which equals y to a power of 12 over 8. And then we would simplify that fraction to y to a power of 3/2. Next, we're going to look at powers of a product. When raising a product to a power, raise each factor to the power. So, if we have a, b, raised to a power of m, that will give you a m times b to the power of m. And when we're applying this to Math 1, an example would be x, y, all raised to the power of 1/5. That will give you x to the 1/5 power times y raised to the 1/5 power. The next two we're going to look at is power of a quotient. When raising a quotient to a power, raise both the numerator and the denominator. For example, if you have a over b, all raised to the power of m, you will get a to the power of m over b to the power of m. For example, if we have x over y, all raised to the power of 3 halves, you would get x raised to a power of 3 halves over y to a power of 3 halves. Lastly, we have zero exponent property. When raising a base to the 0 power, the result is 1. For example, if we have x to a power of 2/3 times y, all raised to a power of 0, that equals 1. Now I would like for you to do problems 13 through 32 on your activity page now.